Okay, eto na po ang hinihintay ninyo. Mr. Luke Mijares, welcome back to Houston.
Salamat! Daghang salamat!
Okay, anong feeling at pinabalik ka talaga ng mga Houstonians dito?
Sobrang masaya kasi alam ko yung crowd ng mga taga-Houstonians ay kakaiba. Medyo mahilig sa music, so alam mo yun, nakakatakot. But yung nalaman ko na babalik ako dito, sobrang saya lang. Sobrang excited ako na mag-perform ulit sa mga Houstonians.
Luke Mijares is a multi-awarded singer-songwriter from the Philippines. And he's back to Houston for a dinner show at Jerry's Grill. It was a sold-out concert brought to us by JD Stars Productions.
Because we know how good he is, and not only he's an amazing artist, but he is also very kind and down to earth. We are so thankful to all the Filipino-American organizations for supporting us. Thank you sa inyong patience, sa pangungulit ko, sa pagbenta ko ng tickets, and because it's Luke Mijares, it's not so hard to sell them.
Yeah, thank you very much for everything, for the support that you have given us. It is a sold-out concert, and we still have people, last minute, we still have people looking for tickets. So we are blessed, we are very thankful, and we are so proud to give Houston, Texas, Mr. Luke Mijares.
We're just very happy to bring Luke back here again in Houston, and thank you for all your support. Thank you.
Yeah, we're very honored, for Mr. Luke, the promoter, the husband, and R1. Thank you. And for all the people out there who supported us. Thank you.
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Jerry's Grill.
We hope you guys are having a good time.
How do you feel that Jerry's Grill ang napili na venue and sold out pa?
Well, first of all, we feel very proud that we are a part of this opportunity. With Filipinos going out of their way to come and support the concert and has chosen us as the venue for this event. It's a big honor and privilege for us, and we're so happy to welcome them all. I think it's a very good leverage for the Filipino community that we have this kind of place here in Houston where we can promote our arts and culture through music and at the same time at Jerry's Restaurant for the food. Yeah.
So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, please join us in welcoming the one, the only, Mr. Luke Mijares! For the last time, put your hands together!
I'm here to watch Luke Mijares, second time, part 2 actually. So I used to perform in Dallas as well, and I performed on his concert with Nina. So I wanted to watch him again because he's a great singer and he's really good.
Take my hand.
First of all, I've heard him a lot of times singing in the TV way back in Philippines, and he's really a very good, talented singer. That's why I'm here. And also, I'm a good friend of Anna. So, both of them, I'm here to support both of them.
Kaming questions from the fans. We have 5, pero pili ka lang ng 2. Okay, and yung isa. Alright, so ako na magbabasa. Alright, this question came from Paolo Almacen, a food vlogger on YouTube. Oh, subscribe nyo na rin, Paolo Almacen. Yes. What is your most unforgettable moment as a performer?
Wow, ang dami Pero siguro every time may kanta ko dito sa abroad. Kasi iba yun eh. Ma-meet mo ulit yung mga Pinoy na nandito, tapos pagkantahan mo ng mga OPM songs, makikita mo talaga na matutuwa sila. So every time may show abroad, yun, sobrang special yun para sa akin.
Okay, ito naman is from Glenn Resilia, former sales executive of an automotive company in Cebu. At meron siyang message, kumusta bay? Batiin mo na, Glenn Resilia.
Hi Glenn, okay kayo ko diri bay. Ayo diha.
Okay, his question is, what is your favorite Visayan song? Pwede bang pasample para sa mga Bisaya? O pakantahon dyan kaniya?
Lagi, Matod Nila siguro.
Okay.
Matod nila ako dili angay nga magmanggad sa imong gugma.
Kababayan, tabihan natin. Eto may gwapong nakaupo dito eh. Okay sir, ba't ka nandito?
Actually, to show my support sa lahat ng mga Filipino concerts and events. So, the reason I'm here, that's the reason. Kasi ako yung tour promoter ni Luke and Nina Part 1 US Tour.
Sana hindi ito yung last.
Of course, yeah. Titingnan natin, tama. Titingnan natin, see what happens sa mga future things.
Abangan naman ako! So thankful to all the front acts and all the volunteers and all the generous sponsors.
Hinahanap-hanap kita, Papa. Hinahanap-hanap kita. Kahit na magkakalayo, magkatuluyang paraan. Hanap-hanapin ka.
At natapos ang gabi na ang lahat ay nakangiti. Thank you so much JD Stars Productions for all the beautiful concerts you've produced. This is Darlene Reyes, PhilAm Connection.